Welcome back, guys. Today we're playing Rush Hour and Ultra Dash. Okay, let's start with Rush Hour. Okay, we're gonna open the box. We're just opening it. Okay, there is our Rush Hour cars. And guys, car in Italian is macchina. Okay, that's looks pretty cool. So guys, we're trying to get the red one out of the traffic jam. So we will. There's a booklet with all the steps. We're gonna do this one first. And then this car goes in here. Well, let's see this little car. No, wrong one. Wrong one. Okay. And then we're gonna need this. Then we're gonna need this car there. And don't pick up anything. That car there. We need the red car goes there. How is this gonna be used? It's gonna be so easy. Here. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this one right here. Guys, we're done. Now let's start. Then this can go here, and then this goes here, and then this goes back and goes down. I'm gonna do this. Yay! We got the first one out. Now we're going on the second one. Okay. Guys, now we're doing the third one. So, guys, it's still easy in the tiny spots here. Guys, watch this. Ouch! Okay, now it makes that little click sound. Look. Okay. Make that little click sound. We need the X. I need the X. So the X goes right here, and then goes right here. This part, let me tell you. So, we're on 3. We're on 3, Jacob. I know that. Look at it. This is upside down. So we're gonna put this. Now we're gonna put the yellow one here and the C here. And then we're going to put the B here. And then we're gonna put the smash it in there. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Okay, now let's fix this. No, Jacob, we're done. Jacob, we're done. That won't fit. Okay, let's just start. Okay, I'm gonna move that forward. Your turn. Actually, guys, internal in Italian is 2. So I didn't know what to do with this. No, it all but then it'll block. And I know this, and I know this, and I know this, and I know this, and I know this forward. But then I know this, and this, and I know this, and I know this. Yay! We made our second one out! Guys! plastic box. Now let's take. I'm gonna take the torch. It's called the torch, I think. Okay, guys, we need batteries. No, we don't. Guys, there's a green Italian, there's a verde. And there's a yellow Italian is yellow. Guys, here's a purple Italian is gialla. And guys, here's a red in Italian is rosso. And guys, here's a blue in Italian is blue. And guys, now this is how it works. You just press this button twice, and then you have to put it in the right color. You have to press hard, or then it won't work. Guys, let's see who's gonna win this round. And the floor is up. I'll go first. Press it. Yellow. Good. Over there. And then blue's right next to you, right over there. Yes. Let's see how many seconds I made it. Guys, look. 24.7 seconds. And you guys, now it's my turn. Go. But don't smash them. Almost smashed them. Red and blue. Guys, I got 18.3 seconds. Up. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yellow. Yellow. Purple. Green. It looks like he jumped over the side of the lava just like this. And jumped back. Look, and blue, he jumped. 18.8 seconds. I'm going to show you. Okay, now let's go another round. Okay, I'm ready. I just have to shake it out and stretch. Yellow. Purple. Purple. Green. Red. Blue. 18.2 seconds. That was so short. 18.2 seconds. And guys, now it's my turn. I did so fast. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yellow. Purple. Green. Oh. Red. Go to red. Go to blue. Seconds. Okay. I beat Jacob. No, I beat you because I did 18.2 seconds. 2 seconds is less than 5. But I still won because I got do one last rematch. Yeah, one more rematch. Okay, Jacob, I won too. If you lose this one, you have to pay me $20. No, I'm not gonna pay for my beautiful blue bank over there. And I'm not going to pay any for my red bank. Okay, 18. Guys, it's 18.1 second. Look. Guys, I beat Robert. No, you didn't. Second. So I did 17. Now I'm going to go. Let's see. Oh, that's blue first. more yellow. Guys, it's 21.3. Okay, my turn. That was a lose. That was definitely a lose. Robert, if I beat you, you have to give me $20. Green, purple, red, and then yellow. And then yellow. So many seconds? 21.1. I won. 21. Thanks for watching.